you my old school crush. Oh, 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 oh. I really wish I knew you back before I knew.
Hey guys, it's me, and today I am going back to school supply shopping. I kind of look like a nut right now, but we're just gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Got this because I need it for a project. I'm looking. Bye. So I really need to go find some pens. I really want 0.5 lead pencils. These 0.07. Oh, these 0.0.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
I found a lead. I'm gonna get this one. I literally can't find anything I need right now, so these erasers are the best. Like, they're the only ones that work for me. I literally cannot find any 0.5 lead pencils. Like, I can only find 0.7. This is 0.7 too. I literally couldn't find any pencils, so now I'm looking for other stuff. Okay, right now I'm looking for notebooks. I want the black one. I really want a red one. Found my red notebook. Now I'm gonna go back and find my pens. I'm gonna get yellow because I really like yellow right now. There's literally so many people like staring at me. This is really weird. I'm gonna go look for a planner. Last year I did bullet journaling, but that was kind of too much work. This one looks like a grandma one. This is kind of cute. Kind of childish though. This is what I got last year for bullet journaling. I like the stripes. I'm gonna go with this one until I find something cuter, but I'm gonna look for pens now. Putting you guys down here for now. I'm gonna get some index cards too. I'm gonna get this one. Actually, I'm gonna get this one because it has multiple colors. And then I'm just gonna get an extra pack of whites. Hey guys, after 5 billion years, I finally found 0.5. And they're cute colors. They're just blue and black. So I'm really happy I finally found a 0.5. Found these pens. They're 0.5, but I don't really know these pens that well. But I really want to use like gel pens and stuff. Those are my favorite. So I'm gonna keep looking. And if I can't find anything, I'm gonna just buy these. Hey guys, I just got home and it's about to rain, which is why it's so dark in my room. I didn't really get that many things after I left. Like, Walmart didn't have that much, so I either will just work with what I got, or I will go to like other places and get cuter stuff. And also, I just got some bikinis in the mail, and I only ordered like 2, and I don't know if I want to do like a try on video, but hope you guys enjoyed this really crusty vlog. It was really awkward. Like, everybody was like staring at me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, bye.
Who taught you how to move like that? Throw it back, you my old school crush. Oh, 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 oh. I really wish I knew you back